What does a 125,000 square foot mixed-use property acquisition mean for the commercial real estate landscape in Pittsburgh? Welcome to the Commercial Real Estate Insights Podcast. I'm your host, Steve Hamoen. Let's get right to it. In a significant transaction, Tempus Realty Partners has acquired a 125,000 square foot mixed-use property located in Pittsburgh's Strip District for $43.8 million. This property, which was once a warehouse, has been redeveloped to include 94,580 square feet of office space and 31,405 square feet of retail. It's fully leased to prominent tenants such as Aurora Innovation, Balvanera, Orr's Jewelers, and Design Within Reach. In San Jose, a notable transaction has taken place involving a large office building. This property, located at 2125 O'Neill Drive, has been sold at a considerably low price, reflecting the current downturn in property values. This trend is emblematic of the broader challenges facing the commercial real estate market in the region, where office spaces are struggling to maintain their previous valuation levels. Two small office buildings located in Boston's Financial District and North End have been approved for conversion into residential use, marking another step in the city's ongoing adaptation of office spaces to meet housing needs. As reported by Grant Welker from the Boston Business Journal, this decision allows for the transformation of these spaces into a total of 155 residential units. The building in the Financial District, located at 31 Milk Street, will maintain the ground floor post office, preserving a piece of its original utility while adapting to new residential demands. This move by Boston is part of a broader trend where cities are repurposing office spaces to address housing shortages, a trend that's gaining traction in various urban centers across North America. The conversion of office buildings to residential units not only helps alleviate housing shortages, but also revitalizes neighborhoods by introducing more residents to areas traditionally dominated by commercial activities. In Kitchener-Waterloo, Cambridge, and London, Ontario, similar conversations about adaptive reuse of commercial spaces are emerging as these cities face their own housing demands. While these Canadian cities have yet to see office-to-residential conversions on the same scale as Boston, the potential for such developments is being explored to better utilize existing infrastructure and meet growing residential needs. Comparatively, cities in the United States like San Francisco and New York have also been exploring similar adaptive reuse strategies. These efforts highlight a cross-border relevance in addressing urban housing challenges by reimagining the use of existing commercial real estate assets. As urban populations continue to grow, such strategies may become increasingly necessary to balance commercial and residential needs effectively. Vaishnavi Group, a leading real estate developer, has announced its ambitious plan to expand its commercial real estate footprint in Bengaluru to a remarkable 6 million square feet over the next 3 to 4 years. Currently, with 2.2 million square feet of existing Grade A commercial developments, the group is set to add another 3.5 million square feet to meet the increasing demand for premium office spaces in the region. This expansion is part of Vaishnavi Group's broader vision to establish itself as a dominant player in South Bengaluru, an area where the demand for high-quality office spaces is on the rise. The region's appeal is bolstered by infrastructure improvements, including the expanding metro network, the Bengaluru-Mysuru Expressway, enhanced road and airport connectivity, and improved social infrastructure. These factors make it an increasingly preferred destination for both occupiers and investors. In alignment with this strategic vision, Vaishnavi Group has recently completed Vaishnavi Senate, a 500,000 square foot Grade A commercial office development located off the Outer Ring Road on Bannerghatta Road. This 10-level structure is designed with a contemporary architectural focus and efficient space planning, featuring large floor plates, private balconies, and exclusive terraces. The modern precast construction of Vaishnavi Senate, combined with its thoughtfully designed aesthetics and top-tier amenities, offers a seamless blend of functionality and design to meet the evolving needs of modern enterprises. The project's strategic location near key residential areas such as Jayanagar, JP Nagar, Banashankari, and BTM layout has attracted significant interest from companies exploring satellite offices. Competitive rentals, nearly half of those in central business districts, further enhance the location's appeal. The completion of Vaishnavi Senate marks a significant milestone in the group's strategy to expand across South Bengaluru's micro-markets. Darshan Govindaraju, executive director at Vaishnavi Group, highlighted their commitment to exploring high-growth markets to develop Grade A assets across various real estate segments. He emphasized that the launch of their latest commercial project in Bannerghatta is a testament to their dedication to providing lifestyle-centric, future-ready spaces that cater to evolving business needs and customer expectations. With over 25 years of experience and 18 million square feet of residential, commercial, and retail developments delivered across Bengaluru and Mysore, Vaishnavi Group continues to reinforce its position as a trusted and innovative developer. The addition of Vaishnavi Senate complements the company's growing portfolio of Grade A commercial and residential projects, solidifying its role in shaping South Bengaluru's evolving urban landscape. In a recent development, the Sussex County Council has given the green light for a zoning change and conditional use for a new multifamily housing project in Lewes, Delaware. This decision supports the construction of 94 residential units as part of the North Star development, located near Route 9 and Beaver Dam Road. The Council's approval is aimed at bolstering workforce housing and staving off the potential future development of more expensive homes in the area. The approved zoning change alters the county's comprehensive map, transitioning the land from agricultural residential to medium-density residential. This shift allows for the development of multifamily dwellings, a move that council members assert is vital for creating more attainable housing options for working families in the region. The conditional use approval specifically permits North Star Property LLC to proceed with the development of these units on a 7.88-acre portion of a larger 433-acre parcel. Local residents have shared mixed reactions to the council's decision. Gail Moore, who lives nearby, voiced concerns about increased traffic, emphasizing the need for adequate infrastructure to accompany the new housing. We do need affordable housing, but we also need to have the infrastructure to get people back and forth. It goes hand in hand. I mean, first you should plan the infrastructure and then do the building, Moore said. Kathy Sedbrook, another local, acknowledged the necessity for workforce housing despite her belief that the county is already overdeveloped. I mean, if it's going to be built up anyway, why not? Sedbrook commented, reflecting a pragmatic approach to the inevitability of development in the area. The Sussex County Council's decision underscores a broader trend in urban planning where regions are increasingly focusing on providing affordable housing solutions. This move aligns with efforts seen in other parts of North America, including Kitchener-Waterloo, London, and Cambridge, in Ontario, Canada, where similar initiatives are being explored to address housing demands. These efforts highlight a cross-border relevance as both Canadian and American cities navigate the complexities of urban development and housing affordability. Thank you for listening to the Commercial Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Steve Hamoen. See you on the next one.